Hello, so today we're going to be installing the Lithe Audio bathroom speaker in our bathroom ceiling. It's IP rated, so it's all safe for playing your music in your bathroom. We've had the electric socket installed already upstairs in the loft space so that we don't have to run it off the lighting, so it's going to have its own dedicated electric socket, and now we're going to do the installation. Okay, so things we're going to need for this job are a jab saw, which we're going to use to make a hole in the ceiling, a template which actually fortunately comes with the speaker itself in the box, so that's ready made for us, a pen of course to just draw around that as well, and some PPE, it's always good. We've got some goggles and a mask here and some tape, and I don't think I can quite reach up there from here. No, I'm going to need a ladder as well. So first of all, really important, we had to go up into the ceiling space. It's quite a tight squeeze up there, and we had to check that wherever we decided to put the ceiling speaker, we weren't going to hit any joists. So we've done that, we've made our calculations. We know that we need to come 30 centimetres away from the first light in order to be clear of those joists. So it's all screwed in. It was actually a pretty easy process, and the handy screws that turn and then catch themselves inside are really useful and make it much easier. Now I just need to put the magnetic cover on, and then I'm going to pair it with our home device. Ta-da! So it's a pretty simple process. You just need to go into Google Home and then choose the speaker, which in our case is the bedroom speaker. Change the default speaker to the Lithe Audio. So we're really happy with it. We think it looks great. The sound quality is absolutely amazing, like change your world amazing. One other thing to add is that we did ask them also to send us this fire hood. Unfortunately, we just forgot to put that on then, but we're going to pop up into the loft and we can just put that on from there rather than unscrewing all this and doing it again. So that's it. I really hope that you enjoyed this video and found it useful, and would definitely highly recommend getting a ceiling speaker. My kids are calling me, so I've got to go. If you like this video, as ever, please do give it a thumbs up. Come back very soon and consider subscribing. Bye bye for now. Hey Google, play some royalty-free music.
Alright, playing the latest episode of royalty-free music, cheerful and happy world, upbeat happy, no copyright claims music on Google Podcasts. Just so you know, you can set your preferred podcast provider in assistant settings.
Thank you.
I sent a link to your phone.
What more can you ask?